Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and fix the new device approval not working on Authy. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So to fix a Authy new device approval issues, ensure that your multi-device is enabled on an existing device. So simply go ahead and open your Authy application. Make sure that you're already logged in and tap on the settings icon and head into devices and make sure that allow multi-devices is going to be turned on. Check your new device for integrity issues like rooting, or be prepared to perform an account recovery if you have no existing access. Well, that is about it. Also, go ahead and try different networks because sometimes networks also keep that issue happening. The last resort you can head back to is going to be factory reset. If a fresh reinstallation after a factory reset works, then it indicates a software conflict or integrity issue that was resolved by resetting the device's software to a clean state. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.